Good morning. Okay, the linkage arm. This one's fairly simple. Gonna plus, create part studio. I'm going to rename it down here. This is the little arm that goes in between the wheels, connects the wheels together. Start a new sketch on the front plane. I'm going to start with a box because I know that it's going to have a box with some circles on the end. So I'm going to click, and now I'm going to start typing in my numbers. It is 3.5 total length, and the width is going to be 0.25. And now I'm going to start doing circles. So when I look here at the end of this, I'm going to say I'm in the center point between the top and the bottom. Click, I make my inside circle, and that is 0.128. Oops, 8. And then I make my outside circle, which is radius of 0.1875 times 2, because a radius is half the diameter. So there's the circle. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put the same thing on this one. Small little circle, 0.128. I did it again. And then 0.375. Okay, when I go to extrude this, this is going to make it not extrude in one go. So I'm going to come back here and we're now going to use the trim tool. When I use the trim tool, I'm going to get rid of the pieces that are in between. And what that will let is all this be one piece. Do the same thing on this side, get rid of the pieces that are in between. And now I have one surface all the way through. Green check mark. And when I hit extrude, I don't have to choose multiple pieces. I can just choose this one piece. It chooses all of them at the same time. And my depth is 0.125. And there is my linkage arm. Make some colors. And I'm going to make this one yellow. That way it matches the rest of the stuff. So there you go. Super simple, super fast.